Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And today discuss here some important point is discuss here and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and guys this is a okay, and guys this is a 3D product is designed here, and this product is very important. And also this is a 2D drafting is available here, and all point is this is thread is available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is easily you can see here. And guys use this 2D drafting and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. One by one is learn here and design this body is created here easily. Okay, and this is a product is a design and how to this body is designed, and this is a looking very nice looking here, and all thread is looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is, and this is use a connecting any connecting body, and this is a very useful, and this is a use a beginner student is very important practice here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a plane is this is a front plane, and front plane is created here, and okay, this is a perfect. At first drawing this is a circle is drawing here, and this is circle is a 110, and this length is 510. Okay, this circle is draw here, and this diameter is a 110, and this is a length is a extrude boss, and 510 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. And some setting is important. Going to option property, and image quality is very high, and okay, this is a perfect. And next point is a this is a cutout, and cutout is this is diameter is 82, and 82 is hole. Okay, and at first this face is selected and sketch and normal, and drawing a circle circle is this, and 82 dia is cut out. Okay, and and extrude cut is this is a perfect. And okay, this is a perfect. And again select this face, sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and this diameter is a 145.31. okay, and this length is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 145.3. okay, and again select this, and okay, this is a convert entities. Okay, and this select convert entities, select this and click OK, and extrude. Okay, extrude boss and this distance is a 80 millimeter, and this is a direction is inside, and this is a 80 millimeter, and direction is inside. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And select this face again and sketch normal and draw a circle, and circle is this, and this is the diameter is 98. Okay, 98. Okay, and this circle is a, okay, and this is a 98. Okay, and 98 is a, this is a this cutout, and okay, 90 is very less, 120 is, okay, 120 is better, but this is a missing point. And sketch and drawing a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 60 millimeter, because this is a 60 millimeter and this is a 120, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect looking here, and select a, this is a 70 is, okay, this 70 is better, this is a perfect. And again select this plane, and plane is a, select this, okay, select this to this, this middle, and click OK. And some a mirror is this, and use a this is a extrude cut, this is a okay, and this is a correct, and extrude cut is also, and click OK. This is a perfect. Hide. Okay, and all point is correct. Okay, all point is correct. And next is use this thread. This length is 62 millimeter, and pitch is 3 millimeter, and M27 offset is 5 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a use a real thread, and guys, two thread is very important, and this is a real thread, and second is cosmetic thread, and this is a real thread. Okay, and use this M27 multiplied 3, okay, metric tape, because this inside is metric tape is correct. This length is 62 millimeter. Okay, and select this. Okay, and all point is correct, and click offset. Offset is 5 millimeter, and direction is upward. Okay, and this length is 62 plus 5, okay, 67. Okay, this is a perfect, because 5 millimeter is upward, then 5 millimeter is add here. Okay, all is perfect. Metric to tape, okay, this is a okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and this perfect looking here, and correct, and this thread is use, and color is, this is a some black color is looking very nice. And next is a same, use a real thread, and select this, okay, and same point is 67 metric tape, size M27 multiply 3, Okay, all is correct. Okay, and this is a direction is, this is a right hand and this is a left hand, because two important point is this is a left hand because correct, and first is right hand, then second is left hand. Okay, and offset is a 5 millimeter, is direction is upward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and all point is correct, and this thread is used here and some black color is used, and this is a perfect. Okay, and some, okay, material is nickel, nickel is polish nickel. Okay, polish nickel is also better, and this bronze, bronze is also okay, bronze is a okay, chromium and aluminum, this is a copper and bronze. This is a brush, brush is also, this is a brush, bronze not the correct, this is a bronze, this is a brush, brush is a perfect. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and correct, and this isometric view. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.